Well, I choose Evernote as my note tool, and there are two notebooks. The first one is my economic class, and the second one is about this class. In the first one, I have 5 notes, and in the notebook about this class, I also have 5 notes. The first is about the reference form. I noted because I think this will be very useful when I write some essay. And the second one is about the correct order of using fire extinguisher. This is a topic about my theme. My theme is fire safety at home, and this one is the categories of fire extinguisher. This one is where to put the fire extinguisher in the house, also about the fire safety at home. And the last one, this is a passage that I found in a website, how to make a home fire escape plan. And I just clip this passage and insert it in my note. I also add some personal notes, and I also highlight some sentence that I think is important with yellow. And the purple words and sentence are my annotations.